Hi, my name is James with Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Even if you don't think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, every restaurant owner should follow these simple steps. The last thing you want at your restaurant is some truck pulling up with bouncy ears on the roof and logos all over it. It's important you find yourself a professional who understands the importance of discretion. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. Well, you have rats in your restaurant and you're wondering, what happens with the urine and the feces? Well, typically it's inside the booth or on the floor or in dry storage on a rack. But the problem is, it creates issues with mostly your team members and your patrons. A baby crawls under the table and touches a piece of feces, let alone eats it, or wipes their hand in urine. They could get really, really sick. It's important you keep your restaurant spotless during this removal process, and at the very end, you decontaminate your restaurant to ensure the ongoing safety of your staff and your patrons. If you have or think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, give us a call here at Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. We will discreetly help you as quickly and professionally as we can.